Hey, MTV Cribz. I'm here to show you my house. Come follow me. So yeah, this is it. You know, it's pretty hardcore, to be honest. I take pride in this. This is my bench. And, we got fire pit when we you know, do hardcore stuff. And then here's the bed right here. We our band is pretty it's pretty legit. We sleep down here, and you know, we don't need a normal society type crap. And then I'll show you our pretty sweet bathroom right here. That bathroom's right there. We don't use toilet paper because that's too mainstream. We call it shit tickets. You know, I like to kind of mess with Cirque sometimes. Cirque, wake the fuck up!
Why are you wasting food, dude?
Shut the fuck up! You know, so these are our nutrition here. They're not exactly the most, you know, nourishing thing, but who the fuck needs that? You know, it's pretty sellout to have normal food, which
Don't go there.
I don't know, man.
Dude, stop, man.
Fucking sellout! God damn it! What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Sellout! Anyways, thanks for checking out my crib, man.